If you see, on the other hand, that existence is musical in nature, that is to say that it is not serious, it is a play.
Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, last week I went to a road trip with some friends. We drove out to Cherating for a couple days and we went out to the beach, shot a few rolls of film. And this week I just want to make a little video walking through some of the photos that we able to make during the trip. For this trip, I load a Fuji 400 120 film into my Mamiya RB67 and Fuji C200 on Ricoh KR-5 Super.
In music, though, one doesn't make the end of a composition the point of the composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest. And there would be composers who wrote only finales. People go to concert just to hear one crashing chord, because that's the end. Particular spot in the room. That's where you should arrive. The whole point of the dancing is the dance. Look at the people who live to retire, put those savings away. And then when they're 65, they don't have any energy left, they go and rot in an old people's senior citizens community. Because we simply cheated ourselves the whole way down the line. In music, though, one doesn't make the end of a composition the point of the composition. If that were so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest. And there would be composers who wrote only finales. People go to concert just to hear one crashing chord, because that's the end. Particular spot in the room. That's where you should arrive. The whole point of the dancing is the dance.
Alright everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope to make more video in the future for sure, and thanks for tuning in to this week's video. As usual, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I hope you guys stay safe. Peace.